Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to install and activate LearnPress. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your site is ready. Go to Tools and select Site Health. Under the Info tab, you can quickly check your WordPress and server settings. Take a quick look at your WordPress settings here. It's a good habit to ensure your site's core version and configurations are up to date. This ensures everything is ready for a smooth installation. Now, for the easiest method, navigate to Plugin and click a plugin. In the search bar at the top, type in LearnPress. Wait for a few moments. You can see there are lots of options. Look for the version by ThemePress. Click Install Now. Wait a few seconds for it to finish. While we wait for the installation to finish, it's worth noting that LearnPress is incredibly flexible. It's perfect for creating everything from simple online classes to efficient educational platforms. After the installation is finished, you just need to hit Activate. And just like that, you can use it anytime you want now. Once activated, you'll see a new LearnPress menu on your dashboard here. Alternatively, if you already have the plugin file downloaded, you can click Upload Plugin at the top. Simply click Choose File, select your zip file, and click Install Now. You can find everything you need, from courses and lessons to quizzes and settings. Great job! You've successfully installed the foundation for your online school. But we aren't done yet. Next, we need to configure the core settings to make sure everything runs perfectly. Click on the next video where I'll walk you through the LearnPress Setup Wizard. See you there.